Hello and welcome back to Heating It Up with Wayne Kelly. Today we're going to end up making us a dark K-roll syrup. And to do that, it's 3 parts of light K-roll syrup, 1 part of molasses. So we'll get the 1/4 cup, fill it up. And then we'll take that and dump it out there. Now we have to have a 1/3 part of a 1/4. So we'll fill that up with molasses. 1/4 of the way. That should do it. We'll pour that in there. Alright, now to give it a little stir up, mix it up well. If it doesn't look too dark, you can add just a little bit more. And there we go. We just made ourselves some dark K-roll syrup now. Get it all out here. There we go. Now we get a double boiler. Throw in our chips, unsweetened or semi-sweet, with a 1/2 stick of butter and about 3 to 4 tablespoons of chips. Take it over here to the stove, put it on low heat, and let it start melting down. And once it gets melted down, then we'll add it to our mixture over here that we're fixing to prepare. Now we'll get a saucepan, another 1/2 stick of butter, 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and we pour our sugars, our K-roll syrup, 1 cup of white K-roll, and then of course the 1 cup of dark K-roll syrup. Mix all that in there like that. Get it all out. There we go. And now we just add in our white sugar, 1 cup of white sugar, and bring it over to the stove and let it be on low heat, simmering as well. Check on your double boiler, make sure it's not already done or getting over steamed. But it's looking good. It's doing exactly what it's supposed to be doing. So now we go back over here and start stirring this because it's starting to break down and be liquefied. And this is what we're looking for. Continue to stir it and mix it up. Don't let it stick to the pan or burn. Just like that. Fold it under, fold it over. Yeah, it's looking alright. Yeah, it's the way we need it. Just like that. A good thick mixture. There we go. Now that it's all melted, everything is incorporated together, we'll add this double boiler of our chocolate mixture. And we'll stir it and mix it up together as well. And give it a gently mix. Make sure it's all good and mixed up. Stir it slow, scraping the bottoms. That's going to give everything, every bite, that chocolatey taste. And once this is all mixed up, then we'll take it over here and pour it in a bowl. And then we'll add our egg mixture in. And slowly, my youngins like to help me. Here they come. There they are. They want to help me mix it up. And now add the vanilla extract into it. And we're going to stir it up, mixing it up. Mix it up good, kiddos. Now, once we get that done, we're going to go get our frozen pie shells that we made yesterday. And we'll be right back to show you those. And here they are, nice and frozen. Make sure you've got little cuts in the bottom. And then we'll just pour them evenly over. We'll make 2 pies out of this. First of all, we have to get our crushed pecans. And we're going to add it to the bottom of the pie crust. And we're going to evenly do those. Spread them out evenly. Give some here. Now go back over there. Give some to this other one over here. Alright, now we add the other one. There we go. Now we add the other one. Just like that. Make sure you got a good bed. All the bottom should be covered up with the fresh pecans. There we go. Now we dump half the mixture in this one. Pour it easily because it is still warm. And stop. We give some to the other one. Just like that to make them both even pies. Pour about the same amount. There, go back to the other one. And back to the other one. And back to the other one. So it's all used up. There, that's the last bit. There we go. And now all we're fixing to have to do now is add more pecans on the top. And me and Zachary's doing great with my little daughter Hannah. She just loves to keep adding them. Alright, Hannah, that's enough. There you go. She just wanted some extra ones in that anyway. Alright, put it in the oven for 350 degrees for about 45 to 55 minutes. And then we'll take them out and let them cool down, and they'll be great looking pies. I'll put a pan underneath just to make sure. There they are, your finished products. Nice. Yeah, they're just some beautiful chocolate pecan pies, folks. Thank you for watching, and please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And here's a piece of it's already done and cut. We're fixing to eat. Hope y'all enjoyed.